First test of the LED lighting for the Night Runner by Beast Mode Development. About 22 different modes. This thing is way brighter in person than it's showing on this video. I'm not sure how to set my video settings to show this properly, but I think the point comes across pretty well. The LEDs are just in there, they're not really mounted or anything. I just got them slapped in there just to do this test. But it's working quite well. I'm going to use an E6000 adhesive to bond the LEDs directly to this translucent plastic, and that should actually help light up the plastic even better. And this should be fun to drive at night on the lake. Party mode. I could use a spare channel on my transmitter to change all these modes just by pressing the button each time. So while it's in the water, I could definitely change these modes. Should be cool.